welcome to Cooking with Charlie. Okay, so today we're making some chicken, and first we're gonna marinate the chicken. And you want to cut up all your chicken like this, but I'm gonna do the last piece to show you how. And you kind of wanna come over there, and then cut right through it, like that. And make sure you wash your hands before this and after, because you know it's raw chicken and raw chicken makes you sick, like what I said in one of my earlier videos that I did. So after you get all that, you want to dump it all in a bowl like that. And like that. Okay, so after you wash your hands, once you put in the chicken, you want to put the stuff in that you're going to marinate it with. And right now, this is a tablespoon of soy sauce. Just put that in. And then you want to have another tablespoon of cornstarch. Just there you go. And some teaspoon of garlic powder, like that. A teaspoon of red wine, vinegar, and sesame oil. A teaspoon again, sesame oil. And last, certainly not least, you have half a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. Did not remember that. And then after you do that, make sure your hands are good again. Got a bit of cornstarch on my hand, but then you want to massage it up like this. Make sure you mix up all of it. It's like taking out the seeds from a pumpkin at Halloween. And then once it looks like kind of like this, you want to put it in the oven for about half an hour. Fridge for half an hour. Sorry. Now after our marinating is done for the chicken, we want to take the pieces of chicken, put them in some cornstarch. Not some, but quite a bit. And then like give it a little shake. And then put in there. And then I just showed you one, and we're just gonna skip it up and put all of them in. So now we got an air fry. We're gonna spray it with some cooking spray again, and put it in the air fryer. Put it in there. And now we got a air fryer for 400. Now we gotta do the sauce for the chicken. So you wanna put in soy sauce. It'll say how much up there. Some rice vinegar. Some honey. Because honey's good, and why wouldn't you use honey? pretty smooth. And then some brown sugar. And you just wanna mix that goodness up. Gonna heat up the sauce here. You might want to put it at maybe like 4, just for a little sizzle. And then once it gets to like boiling level, when it starts boiling, turn it down to probably like lower, like a 2 or a 1. Now we're gonna add the garnish, aka green onion, and you want to cut it so that the tip is like that, and then like first time doing this, sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything in the pan. Just eyeball about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Probably about that. Maybe a bit more. I think that's probably good. And after you did that, you want probably a spoonful of garlic, but make sure you get all that water out, and then put that in. And then pour in all of this nice good old sauce. I'll just get this around the pan. And then after that, you just want to mix it around. Now we gotta add that chicken after we mix it up a bit. Probably just like that. And after that, we're just gonna mix it around so like the sauce gets on every side. And like I said in the video in the past, take it, and then flip it, and then hit, and then flip it. So now we have the chicken here, and I will be showing you like my reaction. Second best chicken ever. First best, first video I posted. This is by far second best. And it's boneless and skinless too, so it's fantastic.